Welcome, dear children. Subject General Knowledge, Standard 6th. Today we will see second chapter, countries and their old names. Now the first country is given here is Sri Lanka. Now the old name of the Sri Lanka is Ceylon. Now why they have changed the name from Ceylon to Sri Lanka? Now the government wants the country modern name. That is why government has changed the name from Ceylon to Sri Lanka. So the old name of Sri Lanka is Ceylon. Now the next country is given, that is Thailand. Now let's see what is the old name of Thailand. The old name of Thailand is Siam. Now why they have changed the name from Siam to Thailand? The name Siam come from a Sanskrit word Siam. The change was part of Phoebus' determination to bring his people into the modern world. That is why they have changed the name from Siam to Thailand. Now the next country is given Iran. Now the old name of Iran is Persia. Now why they have given the name Iran? Now the switch from Persia to Iran happened in 1935 when the Shah of Persia, Reza Shah, asked the international community to start calling the country Iran. That is why they have changed the name from Persia to Iran. Now next country is Taiwan. Now let's see what is the old name of Taiwan. The old name of Taiwan is Formosa. Now why they have given the name Taiwan? Because the Chinese name Taiwan was given to the island after it became a part of the Ming Empire in 17th century. It was earlier known as Formosa, a name given by the Portuguese explorer, whose meaning is beautiful. Next country is Malaysia. Now let's see what is the old name of Malaysia. The old name of Malaysia is Malaya. Now why they have kept the new name from Malaya to Malaysia? Because Federation of Malaya becomes independent from Britain. All Malayan states later formed a larger federation called Malaysia. That is why they have given the new name for Malaya, that is Malaysia. Now the next country given is Myanmar. Now let's see what is the old name of Myanmar. Now the old name for Myanmar is Burma. Now why they have kept the new name Myanmar? Now here the commission, because the commission decided to replace the English name Burma with Myanmar for 3 reasons. Clear everyone? So that is why they have changed the name from Burma to Myanmar. Now the next country given here is Iraq. Now let's see what is the old name for Iraq. The old name for Iraq is Mesopotamia. Now why they have changed the name of their country? Because the country had changed his name from Mesopotamia to Iraq, because it is an Arabic word which means well rooted country. That is why they have changed their country name from Mesopotamia to Iraq. Now the next country is Zimbabwe. Now let's see what is the old name for Zimbabwe. Now the old name for Zimbabwe is South Rhodesia. Now why they have changed the name? Now, in 1898, Southern Rhodesia became the official name for the region south of the Zimbabwe. That is why they have changed the name from South Rhodesia to Zimbabwe. Now, the next country given here is Cambodia. Now, let's see what is the old name for Cambodia. The old name for Cambodia is Kampuchea. Now, why they have changed the name? Because the country has adopted the new constitution and changed the name from Kampuchea to Cambodia. Now the next country is given, that is Ethiopia. Now let's see what is the old name of Ethiopia. That is, the old name for Ethiopia is Abyssinia. Now why they have changed the name of their country? Because the objection taken by the people of the country regarding the country name, that is Abyssinia. It is an Arabic word which means confusion. Clear, student? That is the reason why Abyssinia became Ethiopia. Thank you.